Welcome to Post Dynamic. So now we are starting the next topic, managing files and folders. I hope you guys are liking our videos and learning a lot. So this is a second part of working with directory, managing files and folders. In that, first of all, we start with create folder and subfolders. So let's proceed. Right click on desktop, go to new and select folder. Here we have created new folder. Now name it. I have named it folder. Open the folder. Now you can see we are right clicking again, and from the new I'm creating new folder again. It is called subfolder. Folder inside the folder is called subfolder. So we have created this subfolder with right click menu. There is another method to create subfolder. You can create from the toolbar of Windows Explorer. I'll show you. Click on the new folder from the toolbar. You can see, yes, I am clicking new folder. New folder has been created. Subfolder from the toolbar of Windows Explorer. So I hope you have learnt both the methods to create folders and subfolders. You can create a text document by the same method. Our next topic is opening and saving files. Double click on a file, it will open the file. Write your information, whatever you want to save. You can make a notes. It is a notepad document, so write information that you have, then save by pressing Ctrl+S. Ctrl+S. Now you can close the window. Whenever you add new space or word, you have to save every time. You can open from the toolbar. It will show you by which program you want to open. So we have now folders and a document file. We can open a new document from the current notepad window. Let's create a new document. For example, I'm creating a new text document again. You can see name is new document 2. So I'm opening from the opened window. I'm selecting new document 2. You can see no data is here because we have created just new document. This is how you can open a file from a program. Now personalize files and folders. To personalize, we click on Start, Control Panel, then View by small icon or large icon as you want. Go to Folder Options. Here you can see three tabs: Journal, View and Search. This is the one method by which you can go to folder option. Another method is open Windows Explorer, click Start and type Windows Explorer, then hit enter. You will see Windows Explorer opened. Go to Organize, Folder and Search options. You will see folder options are just on your screen. You can add setting according to your requirement, like you can open file by single click. Also you have to change this radio button to single click to open an item. In the view panel you can set up the files and folder properties, like if you want to show extension you can untick hide extensions for known file types. So various options are there, you can read one by one and you can do setting according to your requirements. These are advanced settings for folder and file views. Third tab is Search tab. In Search tab you have to do setting according to your searching preference. When you search in Windows Explorer, search work according to your these settings. So you can read this one by one and you can set how you want to search. By ticking last option you can search within the zip files, not only folder but also in the zip files. So this was about personalizing files and folder. Now copy and move files and folders. You can copy and move files and folder from any location to any new target location. Like I'm showing you example. I'm copying new text document, then I have opened the folder, subfolder, and I have pasted here. So copy of that document is inside this folder, so we have two copies of one document. You can select both the documents by holding Ctrl key and then press mouse button to select the files. Like I have select the first file, then Ctrl key, then again clicked on the second file, then copy and paste it into any folder. Here you can see we have the copy. One is move. In case of move, it delete the source destination file and move it to the new target destination. To move, we right click on document and then choose option cut, then go to folder where you want to place your files and then do the same paste. So we have successfully moved the file inside the folder which were outside. We can move from any location. There is no restriction until there is administrator privileges. So you can move your files to any location where you have the access. and there are shortcut keys to copy and move, which will help you to work faster. What you have to do, just select the file, then press Ctrl+C. It will copy the file. Ctrl+C to copy the selected files, and Ctrl+X to move the selected files. Don't get confused. In copy, you will create the copy of file without removing the source file. By cut, you can remove the source file and you have a new destination for your file, and Ctrl+V to paste the file that you have copied or you have choose cut. You have to press Ctrl+V on the location where you want to copy or move the file. To select all files in a folder or in a drive, it will select all the files, folder, everything, every data that is in the current location that you have opened in your computer. Just press Ctrl+A. It will copy all. After pressing Ctrl+A, you can use Ctrl+C or Ctrl+X. If you want to copy, you can use Ctrl+C. If you want to move, you can press Ctrl+X. Then go to the desired location and press Ctrl+V to paste. So this was about copying and moving files and folders. Now deleting files and folders. Until now we have learnt how to create, copy, move files and folders. Now it's turn to delete files and folders. Right click on the file or folder you want to delete, then select delete, and now yes, as you have deleted, so file has been deleted from here and it is now in recycle bin. You can delete the folder too. Right click on folder and select delete, then select yes. We have successfully deleted the files and folders. Now it's turn to renaming files and folder. If you want to rename a file or folder for remembering purpose, then you can do it. Just right click on a folder, select rename and set any name what you want to set. Like I'm entering, for example, a renamed folder, then hit enter to save. So you can see my folder name is rename folder, hit enter. Same way you have to do with the file to rename. Right click and then select rename and enter any name whatever you want. Then hit enter to save. As you can see, file name is now rename file. So this was about how to rename files and folders. Now creating sh shortcuts for a folder. Just select the folder, hold Alt key and drag down. You can create shortcut by this, and then go to the desired location and paste the shortcut. I have selected the folder first, then hold Alt key, then drag down, copy the shortcut and place to the desired location. So you can access the folder from the shortcut directly. If you have important folders, just make a shortcut to the desktop to visit directly. It saves time. So these were all the methods how to manage files and folders. I hope you learnt a lot. For now, tip for you is recycle bin. The files you have deleted are stored in the recycle bin. Folders and files you have deleted are in recycle bin. So to delete permanently, just open recycle bin from desktop by double click icon of recycle bin. Now select the file which you want to delete permanently, and you can right click on the file to restore. It will restore the file or folder to the same location from where you have deleted. So I have restored move files folder, and I am deleting these two remaining files. One is shortcut, one is text document. Select the file and select delete. Now select yes. It will permanently delete the files or folder. Or you can right click on recycle bin direct from desktop and select empty recycle bin. Then it will ask you yes or no. Do yes to delete, no to keep the files. So this was second part of working with directly. Like and subscribe our videos and channel. Keep learning. Subscribe post dynamic. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe. Thank you.